Hi everyone, I'm Wendy. Welcome back to Show Me Mo Vegan, where I make easy, whole food vegan meals. And today I'm showing you a savory oatmeal recipe. Now, I adore oatmeal. It's one of my favorite foods. In fact, I eat it for breakfast every day. I usually go with the sweet variety, using dates, berries, and other fruit to sweeten it up, but I know that's not for everyone. But some people think they don't like oatmeal at all because that's the only way they've tried it. So you might want to give this savory oatmeal a try. After all, oats are just a whole grain, so you can eat them like any other whole grain. So try this savory oatmeal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm starting by preparing my veggies. You can use whatever veggies you like. Today I'm using onion, sweet potato, zucchini, bell pepper, and some frozen spinach. To make it even easier on yourself, you could use all frozen veggies. Once everything's prepped, we'll head over to the stove. If you'd like to saute your veggies separately, you can, but I'm gonna make it easy and just cook everything in one pot. So I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of steel cut oats, a 1/2 cup of red lentils, which I've rinsed, my chopped onions, about 2 cups of water, and about a cup of soy milk. You can use whatever plant-based milk you like, or you can omit it and just use more water. I'm also adding the spices in now. I'll put a link down below with all the exact amounts, but I'm using turmeric, smoked paprika, dry mustard, dried parsley, garlic powder, and black pepper to taste. Next is an optional ingredient. You can omit it if you don't like it, but I'm adding 3 tablespoons of nooch, also known as nutritional yeast. I'll bring this to a boil and then reduce to a simmer. At this point, I'll stir in the sweet potatoes. I want them to maintain their shape, so that's why I didn't throw them in right at the beginning. But we'll cook those for about 10 minutes. After that, I'll add in my zucchini and bell pepper. These veggies don't need quite as long to cook. I'm also adding my frozen spinach now, and we'll cook everything another 10 minutes or so. If you're using fresh spinach, you can wilt it in right at the end. And at this point, you're simply cooking everything until the veggies are done to your liking and to get the oats to your preferred consistency. You can add more water or plant-based milk to make them a little creamier. Otherwise, they're ready to serve. You can also store your savory oats in the fridge for about 4 days. If you like batch cooking, feel free to double this recipe and eat it all week, or feed a crowd. All right, let's give it a try. Of course, I've had this before, so I know what it tastes like, but it's been a while, so. I love this meal so much. And of course, I love my regular sweet oatmeal, but I might start giving this a try some mornings because it really is so delicious. The soy milk makes it nice and creamy. All the different veggies are so flavorful. I hope you'll give this one a try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.